If you need to print your Calendly schedule, this tutorial will walk you through the quickest way to get it done. Whether you want a physical copy for meetings, a record for your team, or a simple backup of your appointments, Calendly makes it easy to export your schedule and turn it into a printable file. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, go to the Calendly website and log into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top navigation menu and click on the Meetings tab. This is where Calendly keeps your appointment list, so it's the right place to begin when you want to view or print your schedule. After you open the Meetings section, you'll see your scheduled appointments listed on the page. If you have a lot of bookings, you can narrow things down using the available filters. You can filter by date range if you only want a specific time period, by event type if you're looking for one kind of meeting, or by team member if you're managing a shared Calendly account. This step is really helpful because it lets you clean up the view before exporting, so you only print what you actually need. Once your meetings are filtered the way you want, look for the export button, which is usually located in the top right corner of the meetings list. Click it and Calendly will download a CSV file containing your appointment data. This CSV file is basically a spreadsheet format that stores your schedule information in a clean and organized way. Now, if your goal is to print the schedule, the next step is to open that CSV file in a spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheets. From there, you can review the appointments, adjust the layout if needed, and format it in a way that looks good on paper. You may want to resize columns, bold the headers, or remove any extra information that you don't need before printing. After the file is ready, use the print option in your spreadsheet app to send it to your printer or save it as a PDF. Saving as a PDF is often the easiest choice if you want a clean, professional-looking schedule that you can print later or share with someone else. That gives you a hard copy of your Calendly appointments without needing to manually copy everything one by one. So, to recap, the process is simple. Log into Calendly, open the Meetings tab, apply your filters, export the schedule, and then print the CSV from a spreadsheet tool. This is the easiest way to create a printed version of your Calendly schedule while keeping everything organized and accurate. If this tutorial helped, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.